Yeah, Osaume say, Richard Hago, where you say your name na Enogie Matun. See una life. See shame and disgrace for una head. Una come more for Facebook on TikTok. Una come meet people for TikTok. Oh. Una say make we enter us for una. Unto say na una get social media. Una be babagida. Make everybody pack load enter house. Enogie, you dey saga me. You know why you know they pay me? A man where you feel beat your wife when your wife get belle. You feel beat your wife with pregnancy. So why you go get remorse? So where you be say people wife, people woman, you go with the saga there because you not get conscience. Man, where you they beat your wife, which day you can't they let Osama say they drink water, they keep cup. Now my platform last year or throughout last year, now Osama say can they take refuge. Where you not tell the let and do water keep cup. Where she they shout, she want to come join single mother. She want be single mother. She not get anything to do with marriage again. Now they break now. Osama say, now you want come they say this one a single mother. Go ya na single mother this one. Who they drag marriage and single motherhood with una? Thank God say you don't tell general public say me they use my certificate stay they boast. I go school for Germany. I acquire documents under 9 months. Now I get all my certificates where I get for his house. If you one thing, you supposed to come down. One thing when you see what you not get, person get her. La go. Even that time when you they disturb me, you need my phone number. I think say maybe you want tell me say, Mommy Queen, they always they see you, they talk about certificate, how to get degree for Germany, how to get certificate. I beg you, if you help me, make I see put you through. I don't know say na yeah, you win a matter. Now you they disturb me for make I give you my WhatsApp number. Una way they feel say I go support the Enogie Saga Grace. My analysis still stand in my platform. Even though say Enogie and Osama say Richard Ago Osadiaye with Osama say even though say that they mumu themselves, that they fool themselves for media, I still continue my advocate. Even though say person where me and him no they play. If you do wetin right, I go talk am. If the person do wetin wrong, I go still talk am. For Grace, now Grace ain't go find trouble. That one, the evidence was there. Enogie, my live video what they do, my analysis advocate that I'm doing, women empowerment, responsible men empowerment, not be because of you. And your dirty Osama say, now make me the do. I have been doing my thing before na carry una back come for Facebook. Richard Osadiaye, known as Enogie, you go see submit to people where you come meet. Not be your papa and your mama get social media. Osama say, as you not get papa again, me not get mama. Osadiaye Enogie too, not get papa again. You see, person not go talk to una. You don't they involve parents, they insult parents. That make you a local woman. That make you a dirty pig. I will say wetin dey my body, not dey una body. Una foresee put pikin or joiner. Which time you take they carry children go therapy? For the record, my children does not go to therapy. They go school. Na shule they go. Na you one Osadiaye ago. Osaume so Osadiaye ago you and Enogie. Now una need therapy. Una need to go the examine una head. Una need to go take therapy. Una need treatment. Enogie one use BP take by you for his house. Upon all this, una birthday. Recently, money go una make through una birthday. Una still get the shame to they do saga. Matter come out. Person carry in matter come out. Una talk the one una fit talk. Una no one so analyze something the way we be. People still talk where error day. May you move on. You say you be your own one. Now, as diplomat, I start this journey. Over Sabina, they worry you Enogie because you know the work. You don't know the value of money. You don't know what it means to go enter rain, enter sun, enter snow to go work. That's why if you not fit use force collect money for people, you go dey oppress them, the saga them. I don't gift you. Where my lion in me? You don't give person lion before they talk to you. They compare Pella, Tito King. Tito King was a retired Yahoo guy. Pella na Yahoo people now they give time for there, and Pella is an artist. He's an entertainer, local and international. Enogie, you call yourself a father. Now make me they respect you. Una go dey insult person. Osanesa, you not ashamed of yourself. You don't get paper for more than 5 years before me get paper. Umaeti nyoba west kuma gwejo. In winner, umaeti ya winner. Husband, saga na my husband, saga na my papa, saga na my mama. Me una let shame the cash una. If una don't see it, una ten on go see over one day. Una night dey rain now una light dey shine now tomorrow. Other people go see move on. Tomorrow 50 day all this TikTok gift, it go reduce. You have to upgrade yourself. You call yourself a Enogie. Umaiti upgrade egbuwe. People wey una start life together. Not be you and Iya say start to do video together. Iya say we not the social media again. Is it not living? Why are you greedy Enogie? Who gives a woman say now one make you to why you BP yagbe again anywhere? Now you work money for person. I don't ever carry your gift as saga there. Aisha, I almost forget. I forgive you. I have never saga any brand influencer or anybody where you be online business and vendor or a business vendor. I haven't. Una they use light they do saga. Now my head now go bring you down Enogie. If I ever don't get where I don't wrong you, me na e boru no subu wa go sa o me say. Unwo kian talk be no give o sa o me say o. Because ima boru no subu wa. E magari a gift no wa una collect. If tomorrow they not get, not be una work their money. You guys are still going to upgrade yourself and work. If una like mona say una wan run come for Germany. No matter where una run go, where to una they run, they go live. Una they see they go face am for front. Europe system and Nigeria system not be the same. Me gbogo me buone. Enogie wife say me they work. I'm not supposed to they do social media. Now I make una they monitor people, they follow people live video. FYP why want me buyoto as waiting as my mama or as my papa. Enogie, you are a disgrace to manhood. You not love single mother. Now their pocket you love. Now you want to wreck those people. Man, where you want to wreck your fans. Why you expenses you want to wreck your fans. You are a greedy fellow. Who greedy gbe Enogie. Omaga greedy gbe. You will be eating an army of igwe because you are very greedy. Allow people to give you willingly. Stop doing as if now you work the money for them. Stop using force to they do open wire till they take from people. Before you come TikTok, people were there. Also as diplomat, they do charity work till tomorrow. Inya ko we kere. Emi ya nu ba. Oyebe tu wa ma gbina. Oyebe to mo ma wa gba we competition. Enogie, you are even not doing competition with me. Mene queenie. Ah, una shame they shame me. Rhoda, see your life. Difference there between women where they face domestic violence and you. The life where you they live now, is they different from women where they face domestic violence and you. The way where you they miserable now, and women where they face abuse for a marriage. No difference. Me like buy you for that. You say you saw the journey. You saw it from the beginning of your marriage. Say now so it go be for the end. Now so it go be in the future. You can lie. You not see anything. You never saw it coming. Say thunder go start to fire you. You not see him. This is the beginning of your nemesis. You go become shadow of yourself. The way where you take the where your life be now some person where you marry or who their husband has life supposed to be. If you go left, then they pursue you, they go. If you run, go left and right, then they pursue you, they go. You dead center, then they pursue you, they go. Now life you they live so. The way where you they live your miserable life now because of say you want to impress by all means. You want maybe say that you want become celebrity. You they find attention, publicity, but you are scandalizing yourself. You know they sleep. You know they rest. Every week you they run, they go party. Single mother not they go party the way you they go party. Right from King Esther. Since December now you they run up and that person where you get children for hand though. You get a mama for hand or you get 2 children, 2 baby for hand. You they run, they go party. Me never see single mother. Since December, so road that you never see that for us one day. Every weekend you they run, they go party. Because why? You don't enjoy life when you dey single. Suppose you say you enjoy your life, your singlehood, you enjoy them. You've not been that party go they treat you. You go abandon your children. At least, congratulations to you. Enogie matter help you to escape death. Yes. Thank your God. May you go to do Thanksgiving. Enogie help you escape death. If not be Enogie, maybe by now you for don dey mortuary. What of the day when single mother they will come attack you? If a bodyguard not there with you, how you want to do? You they go Lucky Nice platform. Lucky Nice they sing praises and worship for you. The same Lucky Nice where say their woman cannot leave pikin for house, make them they go party. All those evil single father men, all those evil men, Bobby Love Zaddy, the Lucky Nice where they back you up. They will never allow their woman to leave children at home and be going to party every weekend. Waiting that they condemn, now you they do. You they party, you they club, you they gallivant from one place to another. But single mother will not they pour shit, will not they bully. They not they run and down. Their children come first. Their children are their priority. Lucky Nice go carry Enogie. He go cause Enogie, cause everything we surround them. Cause Enogie fans. They cause in PA. People when na be the pillar of the platform. Every day Lucky Nice they saga them. But you there for the Lucky Nice platform. I don't really understand though, fellow Nigeria. Me not really understand this game. Because the same people where be said that they fight Enogie, cause Enogie, people when are the pillar of the platform, where they carry the platform, the waka, in PA, in France, people where they donate, where they help the charity organization. Waiting not good, not good. At the end, now there road that they sing praises and worship. So this TikTok nana made they just leave her for Ole Road Abi as queen of waiting, as queen of demon, or queen of husband snatcher. You go Enogie platform, you want me to give you crown for there. You go the Lucky Night, they'll give you crown. The Bobby Love and Zaddy. Oga Ibungbe, according to my people, Eri Tiao. Oga Ibungbe, Eri Tiao. Not be only one on social media. You know they get time for your children. Waiting that they condemn. We single mother where they for this social media, where they abandon children, they don't run down. If now single mother they do all this one, you not go condemn her. You not go condemn her. I remember when Enogie wife tell me last year, say, they're going to yagba every time on social media. You they social media 24 hours, you go see they go party. When you tell they feed your children, they take care of your children. Who you they impress? Who give you work? Who you they do challenge and competition with Rhoda? Who? And that one where they compare, say, Mama T wants scatter party. That one, I disagree on that one. Mama T she's not an evil person. Mama T will never go and destroy a very full party. Whether they use Mama T, till they compare CY Bado. With all due respect, no game matter. That one not follow. CY Bado they stay for Torino. She come out for Torino, go Reggio Emilia, go scatter full event, full party. That a party for Reggio Emilia. It big pass one way they do for Germany. CY Bado not get address for Reggio Emilia. She not they say Reggio Emilia. She come out for Torino, go they fight for Reggio Emilia. Carry squad. It did different from Mama T. Mama T did not cause any nuisance. Not be say she intentionally, she go all Rhoda for inside party. When event they go on, she go they fight Rhoda. Everybody will come for her. Everybody will come for Mama T. But she peacefully went outside. That is how a mature people, when you want to do something, you not go use and involve another person. Area where we are women. She peacefully went outside to confront Rhoda. Instead of not tell her that make she apologize to the woman, make she not they insult the woman and her children again and her household. Una they give her accolades. They say yes, she was so harmless. Harmless. She don't go the Lucky Nice platform. They go the rant for there. Waiting be all this one. They say the Lucky Nice where one pull Enogie platform down, where they curse Enogie fans, they curse Enogie, cursing BA. Every day they saga in ho. Even road that don't saga in ho. Oma Deyo, not be only she did the social media. Oma Gwae, not be person send a message. See where see she they talk and say she saw the journey. So you see fire, you they fall, they enter inside. And you they come, they find people where they were not there when you start the journey to come and rescue you. Now your crossroad and only you want to carry them. Only you and I you carry the cross. That why they were not there. Who will rest in peace? You will go so soon for nothing. Because not be every time you will be lucky to see say somebody go come stand for you or come help you can't help you to escape death. So Mama T is not a bad person. May they not come they blackmail her say she intentionally she not get anything to do to disrupt a party. I wish she have any involved mindset she want go destroy party. Now inside party she forgo misbehave. Then everybody go quarrel with her. She went outside. Not be everybody where go that party even know wetin happen. Not be everybody except say as they come bring and come online. Now they don't know say something be happen for there. Why you concern a party they go on for inside hall? In your ribaye they do their own. Ni ma teme Enogie.